Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you Welding Cutting Brazing Specialist, WCB. Operations like welding, cutting and brazing involve intense heat, which can lead to hazards ranging from toxic fumes and gases to fires. These operations are often coupled with other risks, such as confined spaces. These factors can contribute to several safety and health issues in the workplace, so it's essential to understand the risks and minimize them. Welding Cutting Brazing Specialist, WCB, Benefits. The benefits of being a welding, cutting, and brazing WCB specialist can vary depending on factors such as the employer, location, and specific industry. Here are some potential benefits that individuals in this profession might enjoy. Competitive salary, job security, health insurance, retirement plans, paid time off, PTO, training and professional development, safety equipment and gear, bonuses and incentives, flexible work arrangements, career advancement opportunities, workplace culture. Welding Cutting Brazing Specialist, WCB, Employment. Employment opportunities for welding, cutting, and brazing, WCB, specialists can be found in a variety of industries that require metalwork and fabrication. Here are some common sectors where WCB specialists may find employment: manufacturing and fabrication, construction, shipbuilding and maritime industries, aerospace industry, automotive industry, oil and gas sector, mining industry. Admission open. For registration call us on 92-321-505-6755. Power generation, or WhatsApp infrastructure, 9 utilities, maintenance and repair services, fabrication shops, defense and visit military. Our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk. Make sure to subscribe us on YouTube and follow our Facebook page for more details about other qualifications.